guys, welcome back to Wrenie Bird channel. This is me, Wrenie Bird here, and I'm going to show you a surprise. Ta-da! I just went to Dollar General, and I bought some things. This was only for like $12. And first I have this cute little thing for bobblehead dogs. Really cute, right? So let's open it up. How cute. So first, let's start with this. We have a doggy bowl. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Then we have a wagon. The handle actually will bend and the wheels will actually roll. See? And let's do this hairbrush. The hairbrush is really pretty on the back. It has this nice little tip for like a princess. And next we have this doggy bone. It has two little spots to chew on. Next we have this little bathtub. See, hot and cold. And then, last but not least, we have the girl and the boy dog. Here's the girl. Her head will turn back and forth all the way around. Let's try. Perfect. Her legs, nothing else will bend. Her tail will kind of bend if you really try. And then we have the boy. I don't know what type of dog this is. Mama Bird, what type of dog is this?
I think it's like some sort of Scottish Terrier.
Yeah, Scottish Terrier, I think. So that's the Scottish Terrier. Its head will also bend, and its tail will not because its tail's really short. So, Mama Bird, after I get this set up, we'll show you guys. So if you see, there's two little spots for the dogs to chew on. So the boy can chew here and the girl can. Sorry, there's 2 minutes left. So let's get on to this video. So next I have this color glitter art thing, and it comes with a lion or a tiger or a cheetah, or not a cheetah. I think it's a tiger, and it says it comes with 2 packs of things, and it has a square tiger and this rectangle bird. I think it's really cute. This is what the back looks like. And then we moved into our new house, so Dollar General is right down the street, and we're really excited about that. And then I got this cute little elephant. Isn't it so cute? I couldn't resist. Okay, so Mama Bird, what's its name? Laney. But I want to change it to Sparkle Pants. So we'll put her there. Okay, next up we have 2 Pegasus. I'm not going to open it yet. And last but not least, we have glow-in-the-dark art sands. I'm going to do a video of the coloring